Welcome back to Future Forward. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss. Adobe Firefly's new Photoshop feature called Generative Fill. This powerful AI tool has the potential to revolutionize image editing and unleash a world of creative possibilities. But with greater power comes great responsibility, and we'll also dive into the potential risks and challenges associated with this technology. So, let's get started. First, let's explain what this remarkable tool is capable of. The Generative Fill feature in Adobe Firefly allows users to seamlessly extend images beyond their borders, integrate new elements, enhance sceneries, and alter subjects with remarkable realism. It's a game changer for Photoshop users, as it simplifies complex editing tasks and enables anyone to achieve stunning results without being a Photoshop expert. One aspect where Generative Fill can have a substantial influence lies within the world of social media. Just envision the possibilities as influencers harness this remarkable tool to craft content that displays an amplified sense of realism. Imagine an influencer promoting an online course on entrepreneurship. By utilizing Generative Fill, they can create images that depict themselves working from exotic locations, surrounded by luxury and success. Viewers may be captivated by the illusion and become more inclined to purchase the course, believing it will lead them to a similar lifestyle. In reality, the influencer may not have actually experienced the depicted lifestyle, and the course may not provide the promised results. Similarly, a travel blog can utilize Generative Fill to enhance photos of popular tourist destinations. They can add vibrant colors, remove crowds, or even insert fictional elements to make the location appear more appealing. As a result, viewers may develop unrealistic expectations or misconceptions about these destinations, which can lead to disappointment when their real experiences don't match the manipulated visuals. On the positive side, Generative Fill offers a range of benefits for creatives in their work. It provides a time-saving solution that allows them to achieve impressive results without requiring extensive Photoshop expertise. This accessibility of image editing empowers aspiring artists and photographers to express their creativity more easily. However, it's crucial to consider the potential implications associated with this tool. While its ease of use and ability to generate realistic results are beneficial, there's a concern that it may replace certain job roles in the creative industry. Imagine a professional photo retoucher who has spent years honing their skills to meticulously edit images. With the advent of Generative Fill, tasks that were once done manually can now be automated, potentially reducing the demand for traditional image editing expertise. The impact of Generative Fill on the creative industry extends beyond job roles. It also raises questions about the future of professions that heavily rely on traditional image editing skills. As the technology evolves, creatives need to adapt and embrace new tools and techniques to stay relevant in a rapidly changing technological landscape. This could involve upskilling and exploring how Generative Fill can complement their existing expertise, rather than being seen as a threat. Another significant worry is the ease with which individuals can create deceptive images using Generative Fill, leading to the propagation of propaganda and fake news on social media platforms. This accessibility raises concerns about the manipulation of public opinion and the possibility of deceiving unsuspecting viewers. For instance, consider a scenario where Generative Fill is used to fabricate a photo depicting a fictitious event, such as a protest or a political gathering. This image could be widely shared on social media, leading people to believe that the event actually took place, despite it being entirely fabricated. Such instances demonstrate the power of Generative Fill in shaping public perception and potentially manipulating the dissemination of information. Moreover, the implications extend to journalism, where the introduction of Generative Fill raises concerns about the authenticity and reliability of visual evidence presented in news articles or reports. The ease with which convincing images can be created to enhance a news story may undermine the trustworthiness of visual media and hinder the ability to distinguish between genuine and manipulated visuals. To illustrate further, consider a situation where a doctored image is circulated, falsely depicting a renowned individual engaging in inappropriate behavior. Such an image has the potential to damage the reputation of the individual, spread misinformation, and contribute to the erosion of trust in online content. Adobe Firefly's Generative Fill feature in Photoshop introduces a new era of image editing capabilities. we've explored the applications and benefits it brings to creatives, as well as the potential harm it could cause. Now, we'd love to hear your thoughts on this topic. What do you think about the impact of generative fill on social media and the creative industry? Do you believe the benefits outweigh the risks, or vice versa? Share your perspective and join the conversation in the comments section below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Future Forward for more thought-provoking discussions.